Welcome to this render course, where we will teach you in a practical way how to model, assemble, detail and render some real products that will complement learning the fundamentals of software and give you greater speed and skill in developing models in SolidWorks. In this first class we will show the organization of the course. Come on, let's go. As said, this course will consist of practical examples. However, in the last module we also propose some exercises and a render course completion work, for you to do and train. At the end of each of the first 4 modules, we will make the complete assemblies available in native SolidWorks 2015 files. For you to open and see if you have developed your model correctly. Let's go to the course structure, starting with the first module, where we will learn how to develop a wheelchair. We will model the structure, arms, support accessories, seat, backrest and wheel. We will also look at how to unite these components into a subassembly and the main assembly. Purposefully the assembly will have problems, so we'll see how to fix them. In the second module we will create a double lever corkscrew. We will do the modeling of the base, the metal spiral, the fixing pin and the arm. We'll do the assembly, too. Finally, we will render the project. In the third module we will build a table fan. We will create the front and rear grille, the support, the propeller and the internal components. We'll mount the fan. And we'll create a rendering using Keyshot. In the fourth module we will develop a wrench. We will model the arm, the movable mordant, the shaft and the regulator screw. We'll do the assembly, too. And we will create the breakdown of some components. In the fifth module we propose a complementary exercise, where you can practice what you have learned throughout the course, following some tips and images available in PDF. You can create the components, assemble, drill down, and render a mechanical claw. As a novelty in this render course, we have a challenge called TCC Render. In it you will be challenged to create a template and send us for a brief evaluation. Depending on your project evaluation score, you can gain benefits to continue with your learning at Render. With the content of this course you will be prepared to create several templates. We wish you an excellent learning. Render, who knows teaches.